Machine instructions are fundamental elements in computer programming, as they enable interaction between software and hardware to execute specific tasks. These instructions, also known as machine instructions, are binary codes that tell the central processing unit, CPU, what operations to perform, such as data transfer, arithmetic operations, logical operations, and sequence jumps. In this context, data transfer instructions allow information to be moved between memory locations and registers, while arithmetic and logical instructions perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and bit manipulation. For an instruction to be understood and executed by the processor, it must contain key elements such as the opcode, which specifies what operation should be performed, and references to the operands, which indicate what data should be manipulated. The operands can be located in registers, memory, or directly within the instruction, depending on the addressing mode used. In turn, there are several types of addressing, such as immediate addressing, where the data is contained directly in the instruction, direct register addressing, and direct memory addressing, among others. Furthermore, instructions are structured in specific formats that determine how each instruction should be interpreted in terms of its components, and these can vary in length depending on the processor architecture.